Hi guys, so today we've got a bit of a rare beast for us. So this is the Leon estate X-PERIENCE. So this is the 2-litre diesel 4-wheel drive Leon estate that they did. So this one has the upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, it's got the rear privacy glass as well. So this is the SE technology look, so you do get quite a nice few extras on there. Obviously with it being the 4-wheel drive, it is quite a robust look to it. You do also have the upgraded panoramic sunroof on there as well. So I'll just go through the interior as well. So it comes with full leather. With an electric driver's seat. And you do also have the winter pack on there as well. So heated driver and passenger seat. So you can see with the mileage, it's just under 59,000. You do also have a nice specification with these anyway, in regards to digital radio, sat-nav, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, cruise control, auto lights and wipers. We've got a CD player hidden away in the glove box. So really nice specification, and like I said, it is a bit of a rare beast really. There wasn't that many of these cars. So if you do want any more details about this particular car or any other car that we've got, just send us a message and we'll hopefully look after you.